Today, with the constant development and improvement of modern technology, power tool-focused builders are gradually replacing handheld tools. Woodworking has also become lighter and more precise. However, life is never flat yet, it is like a cycle. So sooner or later, you have to face the crisis. If it does not stop at an economic crisis, it goes beyond an energy crisis or a food crisis. The machines then cannot save your life. In the past, Japan also faced war and a terrible food crisis, lead to severe food shortages in all cities. People were requested to evacuate the city to the countryside, where much richer in food and materials. The shokunin woodworkers thus carried the toolboxes, also scattered throughout the countryside of the country. At that time, spread through one famous sentence, "One's craft helps one's life." If you master the skill of a craft, you will never starve to death in your life, in any situation, especially in woodworking. When shokunin woodworkers or carpenters were customary to work at the customer's homes. Customers serve meals to the shokunin while he works, an essential benefit at this time, when there was little food available. If you are willing to challenge yourself, getting used to sashigane square is not a bad idea to start with. In the previous video, I briefly introduced sashigane. This time, I will go deeper into its usage and show you some other unique measuring tools. With that Japanese square, you can easily perform complicated calculations or joints using a single carpenter's square, which is a unique skill that is not seen anywhere else. The sashigane square can be used in a variety of ways, such as measuring the length or angle of objects, drawing straight or curved lines, checking the corner conditions of holes created with chisels, and so on. There is two sashigane square are used to check the warping of wood. These winding sticks are used in the same way to check the warping of wood. Winding sticks are also often used like this to correct planes, which require accuracy. The right-angle square, called a tri-square, is used to check that the corners of the worked piece are square. This one type of compass is called a beam compass. It draws a circle with the bamboo pen attached to the end. This is a jig, called an end block jig. Here a chisel is used by placing it against the end block jig. This is a miter joint gauge. This gauge is placed against the material and used to draw 45 degrees lines. The miter joint gauge can also be used as a guide for planing to create a pattern texture, naguri, finish.